indicated that I'm going to speak when we are halfway through the voting process.
But your competitor thinks that singing here is intimidating.
It cannot be intimidating. We're just coming from morning devotion, so I'm filled with the Spirit.
Thank you.
And thanking God for His mercies, for His protections, and it's for His favor. That's exactly what I'm doing, and there's nothing wrong with that.
So you came here full of
filled with the Spirit, yeah.
And that gives you confidence that, of course, whatever it is, you are going to emerge as a winner of this race.
Certainly, without doubt.
Did you count delegates today?
No.
But initially, that was the allegation coming from the other camp.
There's no iota of truth. We didn't come. Nobody can come with the delegate.
Yes.
These delegates are mature. You know, some are as old as my grandfather. So how can you come your grandfather? How can you come your father? Nobody has come anybody. It is a figment of their own imagination. Yes.
And why morning devotion before coming here?
No, that's what I do anytime that I'm going for a contest. And some people decided to join me. Yeah.
Thank you very much. So